Hello students. So now I will discuss the problem of matrix multiplication. And this is the second lecture. In previous lecture, we learned about the matrix multiplication and how to frame the equation of the dynamic programming which is used to solve the matrix multiplication. So in previous lecture, we learned about the just how to frame the equation of the multi-cell multiplication to solve to find the optimal solution. Okay, so in the last lecture we already solved or we already framed the equation, that is CIK equals to minimum of Cij equals to minimum of CIK plus CK plus 1j plus di minus 1 into dk into dj. Okay, minimum of where the k value will be lies between it is a greater than equals to I and less than j. So this is the equation that we already solved in the last lecture. Okay, so it is the solution, and through this equation, we solve the matrix chain multiplication problem. So this is the formula Cij equals to minimum of Cik plus Ck plus 1j plus di minus 1 into dk into dj. Okay. So here the problem where the number of matrices are 4 and the number of dimensions are 1 more than the number of matrices, that is 5. So here the dimension of the matrices are 2, a 3 to 4 to 5. That means A1 multiply with A2 multiply with A3 multiply with A4. So 4 number of matrices where the dimensions are, dimension of A1 is 3 cross 2, dimension of A2 is 2 cross 4, dimension of A3 is 4 cross 2, and the dimension of A4 is 2 cross 5. So this is 3, 2, 4, 2, 5. 3 cross 2, 2 cross 4, 4 cross 2, and the 2 cross 5. Okay. So this is D0, this is D1, this is D2, this is D3, and this is D4. Okay. So A1 is D cross 3 cross 2, A2 is 2 cross 4, A3 is 4 cross 2, and A4 is 2 cross 5. Okay. So total 4 number of dimensions are there. Okay. Now here first we create a table because this is the dynamic programming, and dynamic programming is used to solve the overlapping subproblem where each and every subproblem are solved only for the single time and the store the result in a table. So that is the dynamic programming. So here this is for I and this is for j, and there are total how many number of matrices? Total 4 matrices. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is the M table, that is the cost table. And another table is the K table or the S table. So at first we solve A11, A22, A33 and A44. So first we solve C11, C22. That is where the j minus I equals to 0. So here the j minus I equals to 0. So ultimately we just find out the solution of Cij. So here the Cij equals to C14. That is the final solution we need to calculate. Okay, that is the value of this. Okay, C14 means this place. So first we calculate the C11, C22, C33 and C44. Okay, where the j minus I equals to 0. And we know that the matrix is multiplied with itself. That is the cost will be 0. Okay, so we place the 0 for the C11, C22, C33, C44. Okay, so this is the first. And next we calculate the value. Next, find the value which has difference, that is j minus I equals to 1. Okay, so where we will, next we will calculate the this cell. Okay, where the j minus I, value of the j minus y equals to 1. So 1, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 4. Okay, that means we calculate C12, C23, C34. Okay, where the value difference between j minus I equals to 1. This is 1. Okay. So next first we calculate. We know that the C11 equals to C22. These all are 0. And the next we will calculate the first cell is C12. Okay, that means here I equals to 1 and j equals to 2. Okay, so just according to the formula, where the k will be greater than equals to 1, that is greater than equals to I, and less than j, that is 2. Okay, so here only one value of k is there, that is k equals to 1. Okay, so k value will be greater than equals to 1 and the less than 2, that means the k is single one, that is 1. So what is the formula that we know? That formula is Cik plus Ck plus 1j plus di minus 1 multiply with dk into dj. Okay, so same formula Cik, that is I is 1, k is also 1 plus Ck plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 2, j is here 2 plus di minus 1. Here I equals to 1. So I minus 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Multiply with dk. Here k equals to 1. Multiply with dj. J equals to here 2. This is I. This is j. Okay. So what is the value? 1, 1 is 0. 2, 2 is also 0. Plus what is the value of d0, d1 and d2? d0 is 3, d1 is 2 and d2 is 4. 3, 2, 4. Okay. So 3, 2, 4. So what is the value is here? 24. So put the 24 in the cell 1, 2. Next we calculate the C23. Okay. C 2 3. The similar way, minimum k equals to greater than equals to 2 less than 3. Okay, greater than equals to I less than j. So here the k value is only 2. And the same formula, I is here 2, k is here 2 plus c k plus 1 that is 3 and j is 3 plus d I minus 1. Here I equals to 2, so 2 minus 1 is 1. dk, k equals to here 2, so 2 and dj, j is here 3. So what is the value of this one? 0 plus 0 plus what is the value of d1, d2, d3? d1 is 2, d2 is 4, d3 is 2. So 2 cross 4 cross 2. 2 cross 4 cross 2. That is 16. So put the value 16 here. Next calculate C 3 4. That is this cell. Okay. This is the next cell. Same way, minimum where the k equals to greater than equals to 3 and less than 4. So here the k only value is 3. C I, here I equals to 3, k equals to 3 plus C k plus 1 that is 4 and the j is also 4 plus di minus 1. Here I equals to 3, so I minus 1 is 2. dk is also the k is 3 and dj is here 4. So 3 3 is 0, 4 4 0 plus d2 d3 d4. Check the dimension. d2 is 4, d3 is 2 and d4 is 5. The 4 to 5. 4 cross 2 cross 5. And the value is 40. Okay. So put the value 40 here. Okay. Next we calculate the cell number where the j minus I equals to 2. That means this one and this one. So first we calculate the cell C13. C13. So here k value will be lies between 1 greater than equals to 1 less than 3. So here there are two value of k. One is the k1, another k value is 2. Okay. So if the k equals to 1, what will be the formula? The formula is I k equals to 1 plus c k plus 1 that is 2 j is here 3 plus di minus 1 I here 1 so 0 dk k equals to 1 dj means d3 and when the k value is 2 so it will be the 1 2 plus c k plus 1 that is 3 and the j is 3 plus d0 di minus 1 is d0 here the dk is d2 and dj is d3. Okay, so just calculate it. C11 is 0 plus C23. Check the table and find the value of C23. So C23 is 16. So put the value 16 here plus what is the value of D0, D1 and D3. So D0 is 3, D1 is 2 and D3 is also 2. So it will be 3 cross 2 cross 2. Okay. So 16 plus 12 that is 28. Here the calculation C12 equals to, check the table, C12 is 24. C12 24 plus C33 is 0 plus D0, D2, D3. Check the dimension. D0 is 3, D2 is 4, D3 is 2. Sorry. D0 is 3, D2 is 4 and D3 is 2. 3, 4, 2. 24 plus 24 equals to 48. So which one the minimum? 28 is the minimum. So put the 28 here. Now, in the K table, this is the K table. Accordingly, we put the value of K. So previously we know in case of C12, what is the C12? K value is 1, C23 K value is 2, C34 K value is 3. So single K value are there. Okay. So here we put K value is C12 1, C23 is a 2 and C34 it will be 3. Now we calculate the 1, 3 where the K value is the 28 is selected because 28 is the minimum where the K value is 1. So in case of C13, the K value that is the selected optimal K value is 1. Okay. And next we calculate the C24. Which cell? This cell. C24. Okay. C24. Similar way, minimum K value lies between 2 less than 4. Greater than equals to 2 less than 4. So here the K value will be 1 is 2 and another K value is 3. Create a formula. CIK, I is 2, K is 2 plus C, K plus 1 that is 3, J is here 4, this is I, this is J. Plus di minus 1 that is I is 2, so I minus 1 is 1 into dk that is 2 into dj. J is here 4. Next 2, 3 where the k value is 3. C 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus d1 that is 2 minus 1 into dk is d3 into d4. Now calculate the value d2 C22 equals to 0 plus C34. Check the table. What is the value of C34? 3, 4, 40. Plus D1, D2, D4. Check the dimension. D1 is 2, D2 is 4 and D4 is 5. So 2 cross 4 cross 5. Okay, 40 plus 40 that is 80. Similarly, calculate C23. Check the table. What is the value of C23? C23 is 16. 16 plus 44 is 0 plus D1, D3, D4. D1, D3, D4. D1 is 2. D3 is also 2. And D4, 5. 2, 2, 5. So it is 2 cross 2 cross 5. 16 plus 20. That is 36. So put the 36 here, calculate it, and then the final one we will calculate where the j minus I equals to 3. That is 1, 4. Again, the same way we calculate k greater than equals to I, that is 1, and less than j, that is 4. So here the k values are k1, k2, and k3. So when the k equals to 1, the formula is Cik, I is 1, k is 1, plus Ck plus 1j, 1 plus 1, 2, and j is 4, plus di minus 1, here I equals to 1, so d0 into dk, that is 1, into dj, 4. When the k value is 2, it will be C1, 2, plus C2 plus 1, 3, dj, 4, plus d0, dk is d2, and dj, 4. And next one is ci3 plus c k plus 1, that is c plus 1, 4, 4, plus d0 into dk will be changed, only d3, and remaining as same, d4. Okay, so here just find the value c110, c24, check the c24 is 24 is 36. 36, the d0, d1, d4. The dimension d0 is 3, d1 is 2, and d4 is 5. 3, 2, 5. So it will be 36 plus 30, that's 66. Next one, C12. Check the C12 and 34. C12 is 24 and C34 is 40. 24 plus 40. 24 plus 34 is 40, plus D0 is 3, and D2 is, check the D2 value. D2 is 4 and D5 5. 4, 5. So it is 64 plus 60, that is 124. Next, calculate C13. Check C13. C13 is 28. 28 plus 0 plus D0 is 3. That's a D3 I think 2. D3 2, D4 5. 28 plus 30. That is 58. So previously in case of this is the minimum. This also put. Achha. Among the three values 66, 124 and 58. So 58 is the minimum. Okay. So put the 58 in the table. Okay. Similarly in previous cell, the 36 value is coming. And what is the value of k? 2, 4. 36 value k is 3. So this one 3. And here also 58 value will be, that is coming in the k value is 3. So here This is also 3. 36 value is um, calculated for the k value is 3, and here 58 value is calculated for the k value is also 3. Okay, so this is the solution where the minimum cost of the final C14, the minimum cost is 58. This is the cost. Okay, so now by using the k value, we calculate the parenthization. So here we know there are total 4 matrices we calculated, where the cost of the matrices is 58. Okay, so that is the final cost. Now we check the, for the parenthization, we check the k table. So here for 1 to 4, the value of 1 to 4 is 3. So we break the total multiplication at 3. So A1, A2, A3, okay, multiply with A4. So here we break the total multiplication at 3. Next, for 1 to 3, what is the value of matrices? For 1 to 3, that is 1. So from the 1, we break the multiplication. So again, A1 is so here what will be the main thing? So first, see in a k tables, k 1 to 4 we know that is 3. So first A4 is differentiate from A1, A2, A3, and then we find out k 1, 3 is 1. So here A1 differentiate with A2 and A3. Okay. So this is the parenthization. Okay. The final parenthization is A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay. So this is the matrix chain multiplication. And in next lecture, I will discuss about the algorithm and the complexity of the matrix chain multiplication. Thank you.